Did you know 80% of people make these common hair mistakes? Let's see if you're one of them. Number 1, overwashing. Washing your hair every day strips away natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Try every other day instead. Number 2, using too much heat. Flat irons and curling wands are great, but daily use can cause serious damage. Give your hair a break and embrace natural styles sometimes. Number 3, skipping trims. Avoiding the salon? Split ends will catch up with you. Regular trims keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. Number 4, wrong products. Using the wrong shampoo or conditioner for your hair type can cause more harm than good. Make sure you're using what's best for you. And lastly, number 5, tight hairstyles. Ponytails and braids are cute, but too tight can lead to breakage. Mix it up and let your hair breathe. So, are you guilty of any of these? Don't worry, we've all been there. Make these simple changes and your hair will thank you.